Hi guys, I'm Jerry with Petty's Garage, and I'm here to get you caught up on the 70 Corvette we've had brought in by a customer. I know you've seen it with the body off. I know you've seen it with the body mated to the chassis, the engine dropped in it. So we'll get you up to speed on what we've been doing most recently. So we've got the brake systems installed. We still have yet to bleed it out, but everything's in place and ready to go. We've got the radiator and electric fans mounted. We've restored and repainted all the vacuum canisters for the headlights. We've started running all the wiring, which you can see some of it bare. We'll come back and cover this up nice and tidy, so it looks like it's supposed to. Headlight buckets are in place. Bumper, grill. All this is aftermarket. You can get it. It's readily available. It does fit pretty good for aftermarket parts. It's sometimes they can be temperamental, but if you're not working with original parts, you don't really have a choice. I think you've seen the start of the Doug's headers. This is a popular option for these years Corvettes. They're pretty loud and big, but it kind of goes with the style of the customer's end goal. Inside, we've started laying out the carpet. We do that to just kind of get it to relax, settle down a little bit, get some of the wrinkles out. We're just very careful when we're getting in and out of it to protect it. Again, more loose wiring. It looks like spaghetti right now, but trust me, it all works out in the end. Vintage air system is a really nice fitting unit. It'll keep this car cool on those hot days when you want to ride with the top up. I don't see that happen very often. Usually the tops are down on these cars, but it's there if you need it. Steering column is obviously an aftermarket. We've added a electric power steering unit to the bottom of the steering column, which is it's not a very popular system, but it looks like it's going to work really well. So in the back of the car, we've got the bumpers are mounted. The tail lights, we've ordered them. They just came in, so once we get back on the car, it'll really spruce up the back end of this car. The luggage rack was a customer's request. Obviously, they're going to take it out on cruises and hopefully maybe on some road trips, and that's the best place for your luggage when the top's down and folded inside the car. All right, so coming up, we're hoping to get the engine fired up soon. Is a goal. Obviously, we need to get the wiring finished up to do that, but that shouldn't be too much of an issue once we get the rest of the parts we're waiting on. Interior is going to be a really exciting portion of the build when it all starts to come together and you see all the beautiful new pieces go in. Obviously, the glass needs to be put in. We need to rebuild the top frame, recover the top. And also we have a hardtop for this car that we're going to be rebuilding. So hopefully we can be better about keeping you up to speed on it. Thanks for hanging in there, and we'll see you next time.